Hey everyone, this is the download tutorial for Netbeans IDE 8.2. So the first thing you want to do is just write Netbeans IDE 8.2 in your Google search bar or whatever search engine you're using. And then go to the first link, which will be netbeans.org downloads. And you'll come to this page where you want to download the first one. Don't touch any of the other ones, which will say Java SE compatible with Netbeans platform. And you want to just download that. And as you can see, it's downloading .exe file. So once that's downloaded, you just want to open that and it'll take you to the installer. Accept that, and it'll take you to the installer, which you just follow the steps and it should be able to download for you. But since I already have it, nothing will happen. But for you, just press next and follow all the steps and you'll come up to this page, which will be the beginning of your programming experience. A side note, in case you're not able to download it immediately, and when you come to this page, you press the download and a message might pop up that says that you don't have the correct development kit or you need to download a new development kit, Java development kit. What you do is go to your Google search bar or whatever search engine and you write JDK 8, and from there you go to the first one, which is Java SE Development Kit 8. You press that and download the file which is compatible with your operating system. So Mac only has one. Whatever Linux you should be able to know. And for Windows, in order to know which one you need, just go to your files, or it might be on your desktop. Go to this PC, right click, and press Properties. And you should see right here which operating system you have. Most of you should have 64-bit, but in case you have anything else, just press the ×86. And once you download this, once it's done downloading, go back to this page and download the Java SE version again, and it should be able to download. And then again, follow the steps, and once you're done, you will arrive to this page. So, thanks for listening to the tutorial, and have fun programming.